Hello, I'm William Gallagher and this is the 58 Keys Writing Workshop set of videos. I'm a writer, you're a writer. I tell you how I happen to write things and then you please disagree with me in the comments. We have a proper chat. Otherwise, no point. This time, how to say this. I want to talk to you, I just want to say, don't apologise for your work. No, that doesn't work. Don't prefix your work with, this isn't very good. No, how about just hand your work over, all right? You're delivering copy that you have been commissioned for. You are submitting a piece to a prize, or a piece to, what were those words there? A piece to a prize. Or, as happened with me yesterday, actually I was in a young writing workshop, I was leading it, and one particular writer did what you've done this, and you've seen this definitely. Before she read her work out, she said, it's not very good. Okay, and actually it was. I mean, it was great. Such a good writer. But she tends to say that. I've asked her not to, but I've also identified with the fact that every one of us in the group there tends to do it. And I think it's a very writery thing. I think it's a modesty thing. I think it's weird that we call things submissions, isn't it? Because as soon as you are submitting to someone, you are giving them the authority of it. You are offering up your work to the higher power kind of thing. Instead of you're a professional, I'm a professional, you're handing it over, we're working on it together. That's how it should be. But the submission process, the kind of inbuilt uncertainty about our own writing, it tends to manifest itself in, it's not very good, but just don't do it. Okay, hand the work over. I mean, don't go the other way. Don't go saying, this is the finest piece of literature that has ever existed in the world. And I suppose actually you do have to say something, but how about, here it is, or this is about, or this is really about. The least you can say, how about that? And never ever, it's not very good, really. Because what that does, I don't know why writers think it makes them feel better, or maybe it does make writers feel better, but what it really does is kind of alert your reader to a problem. I think rather than just reading the piece and seeing whether they like it or not, they are kind of now on the lookout for the bad bits. Maybe I'm wrong, because like yesterday, she read this thing out and it was so good. You know, you wish you'd written it yourself. I didn't spend the time looking for the bad bits. Maybe I'm used to people saying that. And if I'm used to it, so is everybody else. I could be wasting your time here. But I promise you, it's better if you just hand it over. Make it their problem, not yours. Make it their decision, not yours. Well, it's not decision, wrong word. Make it be their unfettered opinion, their judgment on the piece. And even that sounds very much like submitting, but we all have opinions. We all react to pieces. Give it to somebody and let them figure out whether they like it or not. Don't try to big it up, but definitely don't try to do it down. That's all. Quite a short writing workshop thing. So what was it? It's not very good. It's not very good. It's like, I've just debated 4 words with you. Are we writers or what? Tell me about this in the comments. If you could find a reason why you should say, well, it's not very good. Well, I think you deserve a prize, but you're not going to get one. But I'd still be curious about it. That's what the comments below are for, so that we can carry on this chat. Because, I mean, what's the alternative? It's just me talking at you. You know what you think, I already know what I think. We could both be writing. Let's make it worth our while by having a chat in the comments. Although I've got to tell you, very, very cold in this shed. So maybe comment with a cup of tea would be good. I'll put the kettle on, you get the biscuits. Okay? And in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself though, it's important. Write more too. And I'll see you soon.